Hi loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Tara and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this cloud eye look. I've been seeing this trend going around for the last couple of weeks and I really wanted to try my hand at it. I know that Naked Tutorials did a video on this, but I'm actually drawing my inspiration from an Instagrammer by the name of Luna Fortune. I will leave her Instagram link in the description bar below. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and please remember to subscribe if you are not subscribed already. So let's get started. So to start, I'm going to place some Sacha Buttercup setting powder underneath my eyes just to catch any fallout. Next, I'm going to prime my eyes with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn, and then I'm going to go ahead and set that with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. The palette I'm going to be using today is the Juvia's Place the Douce Palette. So to start, I'm going in with the Crease color on a Morphe E27 brush. I'm going to blend this all through my crease and my transition area. I like to kind of just tap the color in first, especially in this outer third, and then start sweeping it through the crease. And I'm taking this color pretty high up to my brow bone. I will tone it down later, but for now I want to make sure that I'm giving myself enough height so that when I carve my lid pretty high, I don't lose any of the detail, if that makes sense. So just keep packing on that color until you get the pigmentation and the color payoff that you're looking for. Next, I'm going to go on with the custard color on the Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to place this in my crease lower than the first color we just laid down. Next, I'm going in with the Chocolat color on a Morphe E37 brush, and I'm going to use that to carve out my crease. And I'm going to be carving my crease line higher than my natural crease so that it's still visible once I carve out sort of the cloud details. I thought this color was going to be dark enough, but it's not giving me quite what I need, so I'm going to go in with the Chad color from the Saharan palette instead. I'm now going to grab the Morphe M169 brush and the custard color, and I'm going to use that to buff out this black line, starting at the edges and then working my way lower. I'm packing this custard color all over that black shade and then buffing it out, and then I'm going to go back in with that Chad color just to make sure that we're getting the intensity that we want and sort of that gradient and ombre effect. So I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal and a flat brush, and I'm just going to stamp that concealer so it creates a little curve like the clouds. Really saturate the tip of it on both sides with concealer, and then I'm going to do another stamp, and hopefully it creates a curve because of the shape of the brush. So we're going to go ahead and set the lid. I'm going to go in with puffs, and I'm going to be using another flat brush. Ooh, oh, that's so pretty. It's like a cloudy pink. So next, with the Morphe E19 brush, I'm going to pick up the custard color. I'm going to place it at the base of that crease. And then I'm just blending it into the lid color. All right, we're looking a little crazy, but we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna go back in with the flat brush that I used for the puffs color, and I'm going to lay the puffs color all over the lid again. And then I'm going to go in with a Morphe M326 brush and the creme color, and I'm just going to use that to blend sort of that bright pink into the rest of the lid. I'm just placing it at the base of the crease and dragging it down so that it creates sort of an ombre. Alright you guys, so this is what we're working with so far. It did take a lot of blending, a lot of layering, and a lot of going back and forth. But what I'm going to do now is go in with a super small detail brush and that custard color one more time, and I'm going to outline the clouds. And then I'm going to go in with the Morphe E37 brush and the Chad color from the Saharan palette to further outline that crease. Next, with my Morphe M326 brush, I'm going to place some of that custard color on the outer third of this eye and just kind of fade it in. So we're basically creating an ombre all around. And then with another flat brush, I'm going to pack the Chad color on this outer third V area. And then I'm sort of connecting it to the crease as well. And then I'm going back in with that Morphe M506 brush and the custard color, and I'm gonna lay that all over the black and then also go around. Next, I'm gonna draw the white stars, and apparently I cannot find my white liquid eyeliner. I am so upset, but we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia lip palette, and I'm gonna use the white in there to draw the stars. And I'm just using this super small detail brush that came in a nail art kit. I'm going to grab the Chad color from the Saharan palette on a Morphe M326 brush, and I'm going to smoke that out on my lower lash line. And I'm going to stop about halfway, and I'm making sure to connect it to the outer third corner, just so it creates a nice rounded shape. And then I'm going to grab the custard color on a Morphe M506 brush and further smoke out that whole lower lash line. And I'm blending this into the black as well, and I'm bringing this all the way into my inner eye corner. With a Morphe M222 brush, I'm going to put puffs and tart into my inner eye corner. I'm then going to line my waterline with this NYX white eyeliner pencil. For mascara, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Volumizing Mascara for my top and bottom lashes. To really bring home sort of the starry night effect, I'm going to pop a gem right in the center of this big star right here. I'm going to use my NYX Multitasker Mixing Medium to do that. I'm also going to add another gem right into my inner eye corner. For lashes, I'm going to go in with the Cocoa Lashes in the Queen Bee style. Moving on to the face, I'm going to bronze up my face using my CoverGirl Queen Ebony Bronzer and a fluffy brush. This is just going to add some warmth and some dimension into my face so that it doesn't look so flat and one-dimensional. I'm then going to sharpen up my contour using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and setting right underneath my cheekbones, and then I'm going to dust off the excess powder. For highlight, I'm going in with La Peach. This is the Artist Couture x Jackie Aina collaboration, and I'm just going to use that with an e.l.f. small tapered blending brush. For blush, I'm going in with Peace by Iman, and I'm just taking that on an e.l.f. complexion brush. I'm also going to highlight down the bridge of my nose and my Cupid's bow using that same highlighter and a small detail brush. For lips, I'm going to line my lips with the Jordana lip liner in the color Mulberry Cream. And then I'm going to go in with the Fenty Gloss Bomb. I'm going to blend the lip liner into the gloss even more using my e.l.f. lip defining brush. And then I'm going to lighten the center of my lips using the Ooh lipstick from ColourPop. This is the Shayla X ColourPop collaboration. And that pretty much completes the look. I'm going to set my face with my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray, fix my hair, change my shirt, and I'll be right back. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this look. Give this video a thumbs up and please remember to subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have an amazing day.